Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller, back with another Service Management Leadership video. Today's video is the 25th in a very long series on ITIL Service Transition. We've talked about a lot of the processes and theory on ITIL Service Transition, and we've adapted this series from a BMC white paper, BMC meaning being the ITSM tool maker. And also I encourage you to look down in our description below and see links to other playlists, related playlists on this topic. Today we're talking about service asset configuration management, different types of configuration items. And we have covered this topic in a different way in the past, and I appreciate the different viewpoint, even if I don't always agree with it. And so we'll talk about 4 different types of CIs in this video. We're going to talk about, let's start off with service lifecycle CIs, such as business cases, service management plans, service lifecycle plans, service design packages, release and change plans, test plans, things of that style. So service lifecycle CIs basically support the ITSM service lifecycle. Second of all, organizational CIs, like the organization's business strategy, regulatory requirements that need to be managed. So by being managed, it means that to change them, it needs to go through change control. And so putting these as CIs adds value to the organization because it means not everybody can change these whenever they want. There has to be an approval and authorization process. Third of all, we have external CIs such as external customer requirements, agreements like SLAs, OLAs, underpinning contracts, also releases from suppliers and subcontractors, and external services. Think about all your external vendors. They each offer CIs to your environment that need to be tracked. This is how we do so. And fourth, let's talk about interface CIs. The interfaces are rarely discussed in ITIL, especially at the practitioner level, because it's a difficult subject. It's easy to talk about how a server or an application or a network device needs to be a configuration item. But the interfaces between all of these is where it gets a little hairy, it gets a little difficult. And so interface CIs that are required to deliver the end-to-end service across a service provider interface, like an escalation document, even how we have information or a CI that goes to one vendor and it has an interface to another vendor. That interface needs to be under change management because we know that if that's down, everything that's dependent upon that CI is down as well in terms of relationships. So we need to make sure that all of our interfaces are mapped out in our CMDB through our relationships, just like any other configuration item. I took on 4 more difficult CIs because the easy ones are the software applications, the servers, the network, all that fun stuff. But these are a little more off the radar. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our videos. Subscribe to our channel, rather. I ask that if you look around at some of our other videos, please leave feedback. Feel free to email or connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear from you. Also, want to make sure we thank you for being a part of our channel. We do enjoy hearing from our viewers and hope you'll make contact. Have a great day. Bye.